We'll guide you through how to turn off Bitmoji on Snapchat map. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many Snapchat users want more control over their privacy and location sharing. To turn off your Bitmoji on the Snapchat map, start by opening the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Sign into your Snapchat account with your username and password if you are not already logged in. After logging in, wait for the main camera screen to appear completely. Once the camera screen is ready, press the Snap Map option located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Allow the Snap Map page to load fully before changing any settings so the options appear correctly. Next, tap the settings gear icon located on the middle right side of the map screen. In the location settings menu, look for the option called Ghost Mode. Turn on the Ghost Mode switch to hide your Bitmoji and current location from other Snapchat users. After enabling Ghost Mode, Snapchat will ask how long you want the setting to stay active. Choose 3 hours if you only want temporary privacy for a short period. Select 24 hours if you prefer to stay hidden for the entire day. If you want your Bitmoji to remain hidden until you manually disable the feature, select Until Turned Off. Confirm your selection if Snapchat shows a confirmation message on the screen. Return to the Snap Map page and check that your Bitmoji no longer appears publicly. You should also see a ghost icon on your profile, which confirms that Ghost Mode is enabled successfully. If you want to review your privacy settings again, tap your profile icon in the top left corner of the app. Open the settings menu from your profile page and scroll down until you find the See My Location option. Tap it to manage your map visibility settings directly. Make sure Ghost Mode stays enabled so friends cannot view your Bitmoji location. This setting is useful when you want more privacy while traveling, spending time offline, or avoiding unwanted location sharing with friends. You can return and disable Ghost Mode whenever you decide to make Bitmoji visible on the map. Finally, exit the settings page and close the app because Snapchat saves your changes automatically.